Welcome to the Strategic Monitoring and Evaluation Training happening in Singapore. You see, monitoring and evaluation is one of the most critical enablers of organizational performance. Without a very strong monitoring and evaluation culture, we're not able to know whether we are delivering results, and we don't even understand which interventions are working and which ones are not. My name is Dr. Benson Kiarie, CEO at Vantage Africa School of Leadership. For many years, I have worked with government, international organizations, and development institutions, helping them to strengthen their performance management and monitoring and evaluation systems. I have trained in 29 countries across Africa, certifying more than 18,000 professionals in monitoring, evaluation, accountability, and learning. Now, this time round, I am pleased to invite professionals from all over the world to join our strategic monitoring and evaluation training happening in Singapore. Now, this 5-day intensive training is designed for professionals who are in charge of program performance, accountability, and evidence-based decision making. Now, this program will particularly be helpful for individuals and professionals who are in charge of shaping organizational culture, because the first thing that we need is a very strong monitoring and evaluation culture in organizations before we can start building the M&E systems. So this program is curated for board members, CEOs, project directors, HR directors, monitoring and evaluation directors, and other senior leaders who are in charge of leading organizations from a data-driven perspective. Over and above learning the practical aspects of monitoring and evaluation, you're going to learn how to build a strong M&E culture in your organization. You will also learn how to sustain M&E systems and develop a very strong competitive advantage based on your monitoring and evaluation function. Now, this is where the training gets even more interesting. We're going to use something called Eval 360. This is a digital monitoring, evaluation, accountability, and learning system that is AI enabled. And this is going to give you two main benefits, of course, among others. First of all, it is going to ensure that the quality of your monitoring and evaluation is not dependent on people. It is dependent on systems. And of course, this is a good thing. Now, let's assume you have a team that is not very well trained on monitoring and evaluation. And when they're using the system, they input a wrong objective. Now, the AI that is inbuilt within the system will flag that, and it is going to correct it. Or let's say the team puts in a wrong or an incomplete logical framework. The system flags that and corrects you. And therefore, the quality of your monitoring and evaluation is not going to be dependent on people. That is number one. The second thing that is going to be very important in this system is that it is going to train your team on monitoring and evaluation. What this system does is that it understands the weaknesses of your team. If an individual keeps on putting in wrong indicators every time, the system understands that this user is weak when it comes to indicators, and therefore it curates a learning journey with regard to indicators. And when the system is training this person, it uses examples from the project that you are implementing. This system is going to be a game changer for your organization. It is one of its kind, and it has global standards. So we are going to ensure that in all our trainings, we use this system to ensure that we transform monitoring and evaluation in our organizations. And to cap it all, you're going to experience Singapore as a global learning destination. You're going to engage in group discussions, collaborative exchanges, and professional networking with peers from more than 20 countries around the world. You'll get an opportunity to discuss partnerships and collaborations with like-minded institutions from all over the world. So if your organization is committed to improving program performance, strengthening accountability, and building strong and credible monitoring and evaluation systems, we invite you to join us in Singapore. Because monitoring and evaluation is really not about producing reports. It's about making better decisions, learning from evidence, and delivering results that truly matter. I look forward to welcoming you to Singapore. We are going to have an amazing learning experience. See you in Singapore.